Hey everyone, my name is Dob, and I'm going to show you guys how to make a Thanksgiving dinner. You'll get to see all your Thanksgiving favorites, like turkey, cranberry sauce, mashed potatoes, and a bunch of other dishes. Without further ado, let's get right into it. Let's start with the turkey. For the turkey, you only need a few simple ingredients. You need the turkey, of course, butter, rosemary, and thyme. For our turkey, we're going to be peeling up the skin a little so that we can get butter between the meat and the skin. And then we'll put some rosemary and thyme in there. That helps the turkey to cook. So let's grab our turkey. A lot of people like to eat turkey with the skin on, but I found that particularly impossible to do. Anyway, let's get the skin off. There we go. You want to keep the skin still attached, but you want enough room to get butter in between. So let's get our butter. Looks delicious already. Now all we need is rosemary and thyme. Put a little bit of each in between the skin and everything else. That's You want to keep flavor seals on your spices to protect their flavor, but sometimes I forget they're there. So there's our thyme, and here's our rosemary. Doesn't that look amazing? Now all we need to do is put this bad boy into cook. For the cranberry sauce, I actually like to keep things really simple. I just use a can of cranberry sauce. It was like that when I bought mashed potatoes. Welcome to Doucheville, motherfucker. Here in Doucheville. Now that we have all of the dishes ready, there's just one final step. We're gonna blend it all together. Bit of apple pie. Oh, I might need to blend it as I go. Don't you love that sound? A lot more than I thought it would be. You really want to get them all in there. Oh, doesn't it look amazing already? Some fresh green beans for you. Does this have to be cooked? What is this made of? I have no idea what stuffing is made of. Safety first. Cook thoroughly before consuming. Alright. I won't eat that. Some of our butter. And yeah. Gotta get some of that turkey with the rosemary and thyme on it. Alright, now with all the ingredients in there together, give it a couple of pulses. Now wait one moment. Delicious as this looks, I almost forgot the pièce de résistance. I almost forgot the pièce de résistance. Now you're thinking Thanksgiving. What's the best thing about Thanksgiving? You get to see your family, you get to talk to them? No. No one wants to talk to family. That's why we add vodka. There we go. Doesn't that look deliciously appetizing? Let's grab ourselves a glass. You love the way it looks. You love the way it sounds. Look at that. It looks like raw meat. I knew that was going to be hard to stomach. I did not realize how hard. It's kind of chunky. I don't know how long I can keep taking sips. I think I'm going to stop it there. I don't want to throw up. And there you have it. Thanksgiving dinner the Dob way.